So I bet you're wondering, how long is my teeth whitening going to last after I have the Zoom whitening? Well, let me put it this way. It's all dependent on what you do with the trays that we give you. So we will be giving you trays so that once a month you can use the tooth whitening gels that we provide for you. And it's also key about what you do for the first 24 to 48 hours after the Zoom whitening. And I'll just tell you briefly what goes on. When we're whitening your teeth, it's amazing what it does and how it whitens your teeth. But here's what happens. There's a film on our teeth that protects our teeth from any changes over time. But it doesn't work 100%, that's why our teeth darken. And when we whiten our teeth, we take that film off. So for the first 24 to 48 hours, that's the time it takes for the film to recover. So after whitening your teeth, we're going to ask you for the first 24 to 48 hours to protect your whitening. And this is how you do it. You eat things that don't have any color to it. Isn't that fantastic? To eat yogurt, to eat vanilla ice cream, to eat halibut, to eat white things, milk, things that don't have any color to it. So it doesn't change your color. So it keeps your teeth white. So give us a call. We have much more information about how to protect your teeth, to keep them white and keep them light. Look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.